Next problem. Show that f of z equals z power n, where n is positive integer, is analytic, and hence find its derivative. Solution. F of z, that is w, equals z power n. F of z means u plus iv, z in polar form r e power I theta whole power n. R power n, this can be written as r power n into e power I n theta. E power I n theta means cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now group real part one side and imaginary part one side. Here u means r power n cos n theta and v means r power n sin n theta. Now differentiate u with respect to r theta and v with respect to r theta. V with respect to r and theta. See, with respect to r means n r power n minus 1 cos n theta, write as it is. With respect to theta, r power n write as it is, cos n theta is minus n sin n theta. Differentiate v with respect to r, n r power n minus 1 sin n theta. With respect to theta, r power n write as it is, sin n theta is cos n theta into n. See, these two are equal. You have to multiply ur by r. R into ur is nothing but v theta, r into vr is nothing but u theta. You have to multiply ur by r, you will get the same result. If you multiply vr by r, you will get the again same result. CR equation in polar form, r into ur equals v theta and r into vr equals u theta are satisfied. Thus f of z equals z power n is analytic. In polar form, f dash of z is e power minus I theta ur plus I into vr. F dash of z equals e power minus I theta. Ur means n r power n minus 1 cos n theta plus I into vr, n r power n minus 1 sin n theta. F dash of z equals n r power n minus 1 is common, take outside, e power minus I theta cos n theta plus I into sin n theta. So this can be written as e power I n theta. Here base is same, add the powers and take I theta common. E power I theta, I'll write positive term first, n, and if you take I theta outside, you will get only minus 1. Again here power is same. So these two can be written as r e power I theta whole power n minus 1. Here also n minus 1, here also n minus 1. So from these two you can write r e power I theta whole power n minus 1. And this is nothing but z in polar form. Therefore f dash of z is n z power n minus 1 is the required solution. Last problem. Show that f of z equals z plus k square by r cos theta plus I into r minus k square by r sin theta r not equal to 0 is a regular function of z equals r e power I theta. Also find f dash of z. Solution. See, regular function means you have to show that it is analytic. U, real part, r plus k square by r cos theta, and imaginary part means v, r minus k square by r sin theta. Differentiate this with respect to r and theta. Ur, differentiate with respect to r. R is 1 and 1 by r differentiation minus 1 by r square, k square write as it is, cos theta write as it is. U theta, differentiate with respect to theta. R plus k square by r write as it is, cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Now differentiate v with respect to r and theta. With respect to r, r is 1 and 1 by r differentiation is minus 1 by r square, minus into minus, plus 1 by r square, k square write as it is, sin theta write as it is. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. R minus k square by r write as it is, sin theta differentiation is cos theta. Now in CR equation you have to show that r into ur. So multiply this by r. So this becomes r into ur equals r minus 1 r term get cancelled, k square by r cos theta. And second term r into vr equals minus u theta. So multiply this vr by r. R into vr equals r plus k square by r sin theta. So in CR equation r into ur is v theta, means these two are same, and r into vr is minus u theta, these two are same with negative. Therefore CR equations are satisfied, hence f of z is analytic function. Next you have to find f dash of z. In polar form, f dash of z is e power minus I theta ur plus I into Vr. F dash of z equals e power minus I theta. Ur means 1 minus k square by r cos theta plus I into Vr means 1 plus k square by r square sin theta. E power minus I theta. See here 1 into cos theta means cos theta. I into 1 into sin theta means I into sin theta. From these two, k square by r square is common. Minus k square by r square take outside. Cos theta, if we take minus in outside, this becomes negative. So minus I into sin theta. And cos theta plus I sin theta is e power I theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta is e power minus I theta. Now multiply this e power I theta inside the bracket. E power minus I theta, e power I theta is e power 0. E power 0 is 1 minus k square by r square. E power minus I theta, e power minus I theta is e power I into 2 theta. Now take this to denominator, that becomes positive. 1 minus k square by r square e power 2I theta. You can write this as r e power I theta whole square. Since the power is same, this can be written as r e power I theta whole square. And in polar form, this is nothing but z. Therefore, f dash of z equals 1 minus k square by z square is the required solution.